Are you looking for the best tablet for photo editing? In this video, we will look at some of the best tablet for photo editing on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Apple iPad Pro. The Apple iPad Pro stands out as the epitome of the iPad experience, boasting remarkable performance powered by the cutting-edge M2 chip. With lightning-fast wireless connectivity through Wi-Fi 6E, it enables seamless work and quick transfers of files from virtually anywhere. The next-generation Apple Pencil enhances the user experience, allowing for precise input in any text field with the Scribble feature. Running on Apatos, the iPad Pro becomes a powerhouse of productivity, offering the ability to run multiple apps simultaneously, utilize Apple Pencil for versatile tasks, and easily edit and share photos. The Stage Manager feature simplifies multitasking with resizable, overlapping apps and support for external displays. The device comes preloaded with essential apps like Safari, Messages, and Keynote, and access to a vast array of over 1 million more apps on the App Store. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus Plus is a versatile device that seamlessly combines the power of a PC with the portability of a tablet. With the innovative DeX mode and an optional keyboard featuring an expanded trackpad, sold separately, you can transform your tablet into a full-fledged PC experience. This makes it a great choice for users who need productivity on the go. One notable feature is the redesigned S Pen, which boasts an improved 9 ms pen latency. This stylus is not only great for taking notes, but also excels in controlling presentations effortlessly. The tablet offers an enhanced entertainment experience with its larger edge-to-edge displays, TFT LCD screen, and a KG quad speakers featuring Dolby Atmos surround sound. Whether you're watching movies or playing games, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus Plus delivers an immersive and cinematic viewing experience. Number 3. Apple iPad 10th Generation. The Apple iPad 10th Generation stands out as a vibrant and versatile device, reimagined with a colorfully captivating design. Boasting a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display and fueled by the powerful A14 Bionic chip, this iPad offers a seamless and immersive experience for daily tasks. Its small screen design enhances the visual appeal, while the availability in 4 gorgeous colors adds a touch of personalization. Running on Apatos, the tablet becomes more productive and intuitive, allowing users to run multiple apps simultaneously and utilize the Apple Pencil for versatile interactions, including writing in any text field with Scribble. The device comes preloaded with essential apps like Safari, Messages, and Keynote, and access to over 1 million more apps on the App Store ensures a wide range of possibilities. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus has earned its stripes as the best Android tablet for 2023, according to CNET. This accolade is attributed to its ideal size for entertainment and gaming, coupled with its versatility for light productivity tasks and travel. With Wi-Fi 6E technology, the tablet boasts blazing fast internet speeds, making work and play seamless. One of its standout features is the expansive 12.4-inch AMOLED display, delivering incredible visuals with brilliant brilliance, crispness, and vivid colors. The tablet also excels in the camera department, offering a 4K ultra-wide front camera with auto-framing for clear videos and impressive photos, catering to photography enthusiasts of all levels. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. The Microsoft Surface Pro 9 is a versatile and powerful device designed to enhance your productivity and creativity. With the introduction of Copilot on Windows 11, this 2-in-1 device becomes your everyday eye companion, streamlining tasks and reducing cognitive load. Featuring a 13 immersive touchscreen, the Surface Pro 9 adapts to your surroundings by adjusting color balance for an optimal viewing experience. The built-in kickstand with adjustable angles, along with compatibility with the Surface Pro Signature keyboard, transforms the device into an instant laptop for enhanced productivity.